So we had a good few people asking how we were getting on with the garden cabin that we were working on, and we're pretty much finished. Just got to do a bit of a tidy up there. But we're using it already. So this is the veranda sort of area, which is handy. I'm using it for drying my garlic at the moment. You can see it all laid out there, which is perfect. Plenty of airflow, and we're out of the rain and out of direct sun, which is important. And that's basically looking out into the field. That's our fruit cage. So inside then we have double doors on the front, and then we have a little kind of living room area. So it's done out to kind of look like an old wooden shed or wooden cabin. So we just paneled out the walls in kind of rough timber like that. But it actually has insulation in behind it. So it's really cozy. We put in a wood burning stove there. We've loads of logs because I had to take some trees down because of disease. So we might as well use the wood. So that's really great. It warms up the whole thing in no time just with a couple of logs. We've got our kitchen area there. So little sink in the corner, just a little two burner gas hob. That's really all you need. And our sort of table seating area, I guess. Again, looking out into the field, lovely and green. And then the double doors then looking out into the vegetable garden. So you can see we've got our potatoes, cabbages, beans, all sorts of stuff going on out there. We've got a little hallway here. So again, everything is paneled out in timber. We just painted the woodwork. And this is the little bathroom or shower room. So we did it in tongue and groove, painted it all out. This was the next demo model shower we got cheap. It looks great. And then we have this little bedroom. So the whole thing actually worked out much bigger looking than we thought when we were doing it up. I thought it was going to look much smaller. So the bedroom there, we've two single beds there. Not massive, but we've enough room in between them, fit two people comfortably. And then the bedroom as well, looking out into the garden. There's our garlic again. So all in all, I don't know if any of you saw our original video of this old porta cabin that we bought when it was grey and miserable and full of rubbish in here. But it's been a lot of work to do this, but a real transformation, and we're just delighted with it. And we actually have somebody staying here at the moment, helping in the garden. So the idea is then that we will have people over the summer to help me keep on top of things, and hopefully a really enjoyable place to stay. So that's it. That's our little garden cabin. I hope that you like the look of it. Do go back and check out the earlier videos to see what it looked like before. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.